Today's question comes from the workbook Problem Solving Experiences in Mathematics. Here we go. Ms. Knopf brought the math teachers some cinnamon rolls her husband made. Mr. Skolf ate half of them. Ms. Molf ate half of the remaining rolls. Miss Knopf ate one, and Mr. Goff put one away for later. Then there were no more rolls left. How many rolls did Miss Knopf bring to the math teachers? Oh, this sounds like a good one. It's making me hungry for cinnamon rolls too. All right, we'll give it a go. And when you're ready, you can resume the video. So just pause it here. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you had fun with this one. So first of all, let's unpack this problem. How many rolls did Mr. Golf put away? And it looks like he put one away. And how many rolls did Miss Knopf eat? And she ate one. And Miss Molf ate how many rolls? Well, it says that she ate half of the rolls that there were. And then how many rolls did Mr. Skolf eat? And he had half of all. Okay, so I think the best strategy for this one is to work backwards. In other words, we're going to be undoing it. So we do the inverse operation or the opposite. For example, if we talk about inverse of adding, it would be subtracting. The inverse of multiplying would be dividing. So let's start out, again, working backwards. So we'll start with Mr. Golf because he put one away, which means he has one. Okay, so that starts with one cinnamon roll. Miss Knopf ate one. So if she ate one, we would subtract it. But remember, we're working backwards or doing the opposite, so we're going to add. So we have the one that Miss Knopf ate and the one that Mr. Golf put away. So now we're at 2 cinnamon rolls. Again, working backwards, we know Miss Moth ate half of the remaining rolls. So instead of doing half of 2, we're going to do the opposite. Instead of dividing, we're going to multiply. So we'll say 2 multiplied by 2. So now we have 4. And lastly, Mr. Skolf ate half of all. And again, instead of dividing by 2, we're going to multiply by 2. Again, doing inverse operations. So we had 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Therefore, Miss Knopf brought 8 rolls to the math teachers. I hope you liked that. If you did, we have an extension so you can exercise your brain a little bit more. Here we go. Miss Knopf brought the math teacher some cinnamon rolls for her husband made. Mr. Skolf ate half of them. Miss Moth ate half of the remaining rolls. Miss Knopf ate one and Mr. Golf put one away for later. Then there were no more rolls left. How many rolls did Miss Knopf bring to the math teachers? So this is the one we just did, and we know the answer is 8. But let's switch it up. And this time, let's say if Mr. Golf put away 2 rolls, how many would Miss Knopf have sent? Okay, again, we'll do an inverse operation on this one, and we're going to work backwards. So here we go. Mr. Golf put 2 away. Miss Knopf ate 1. So again, we're going to have the 2 plus the 1. So now we're at 3. Miss Moth ate half of the remaining rolls. Again, we're doing the opposite or the inverse. So instead of dividing, we're going to multiply by 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. And lastly, Mr. Skolf ate half of all. Again, instead of dividing by 2, we're going to multiply by 2. So we have the 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So in this case, Miss Knopf brought 12 rolls to the math teachers. How was that? Did you think it was easy, hard, medium? Well, thanks for watching as always. And if you haven't subscribed, never miss a question of the week and subscribe. Also, feel free to leave a comment below. Maybe you can tell me how hard you thought it was. Maybe a different strategy that you use, but don't leave the answer in there. We don't want any spoilers. And if you have a friend that you think would like this, share it with them. Again, thanks for watching.